So right now, you're someone that's at home and you're thinking, okay, how in the world do I maximize my time right now? Well, to me, if you're not selling and you're not working the phones, then you need to be preparing on how you're going to be better to work the phones and to get a hold of people and contact people. So you either need to be executing or you need to be training. Executing or you need to be training. So if you're not executing, you're training. So you need to be listening to podcasts. You need to be practicing what you're going to say. You need to be listening to my book, The Mindset of a Sales Warrior, and get it on Audible. And I can take you through some different practices. We've got some programs that, of course, you can sign up for. You can go to fpgbootcamp.com and you can sign up, as well as some other private coaching programs that we can offer you. But again, you either need to be training or you need to be selling. Those are your two options at this very moment.